if we told you it's finally possible to enjoy the char-grilled, juicy, succulent food you love every day without the hassle of firing up your barbecue, standing out in the cold, and refilling propane tanks? Introducing the Power XL Smokeless Grill, the only indoor grill with smoke extracting technology. Watch again as it sucks up that smoke and odor like a vacuum. The 5-star reviews say it all. People love the Power XL Smokeless Grill.
I've never used an indoor grill that gave you outdoor charcoal results, ever.
I get the outdoor feeling, taste, and look of the food that I miss from our outdoor grill.
It heats up almost immediately. It gives you that char that you're looking for, and I was just shocked. Nothing. There was no smoke in the apartment. We didn't have to open the doors.
The Power Smokeless Grill really is smokeless.
I even asked Cheryl, where's the smoke?
You can grill juicy porterhouse, surf and turf, tender cowboy, and succulent jumbo shrimp, barbecue back ribs. Look at the char-grilled results. You'd never know it wasn't cooked on an outdoor grill. What's the secret? The heat source reaching 450 degrees Fahrenheit connects to the grill plate, so all that fat can drip through the grates into the drip tray below. This is the healthy way to cook. And that fat drains away through the open grill, just like an outdoor barbecue. The Turbo Speed Smoke Extractor technology captures and extracts virtually all the smoke. This means now you can have an open grill right in your kitchen. One press and it instantly starts heating. It's small enough for an apartment, but big enough to feed a hungry family. That's because the entire footprint is edge-to-edge grilling surface. Grill 8 large burgers, 3 whole racks of ribs. You can even grill an entire family meal and a whole chicken. Stop grilling with indoor grills that set your smoke alarm blaring. Now you can grill caramelized pork chops, barbecue street corn, stuff your burger with mac and cheese, grill a bounty of vegetables, and barbecue char-grilled game night wings. Every season in any weather. You can even grill from frozen. You can cook fast and serve in a flash. And here's exciting news. Add liquid, lemon, and herbs to the tray below and infuse your food with flavor as you grill. The LED variable heat control lets you adjust the heat from 175 to 450 degrees. Char grill steak on high, slow grill pizza on medium for the wood-fired artisan taste. Toast melted cheese paninis over a low heat. Perfect for apartments, balconies, RVs, and boats. The heavy-duty cast aluminum grill plate is super non-stick. Fish skin down? Not a problem. Watch melted cheese come right off. Forget about grill plates that are attached to the base. They're impossible to clean. The grill plate and accessories are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze.
Grill your favorite foods to crisp, charred perfection. Or go beyond grilling with 4 convenient cooking functions: bake, roast, air crisp, and dehydrate for quick and easy meals any night of the week. To begin using your Ninja Foodi grill, simply press the power button and select your desired cooking function. Use the time and temp arrows to adjust the cook time and temperature according to your recipe. Your Foodi grill will display the cook time in minutes or hours, depending on the function selected. Press Start, Stop to begin cooking. When using the grill function, Pre will illuminate on the display, and the progress bar will indicate it's preheating. For best grilling results, always allow your Foodi grill to preheat before adding any food. This may take about 8 minutes. When preheating is complete, the Foodi grill will beep and the display screen will read Add Food. Once you've added your food, close the hood. The timer will then start counting down from your set cook time and cooking will begin. To go beyond grilling, use the 4 additional cooking functions for a variety of delicious meals. The Air Crisp function delivers a crispy, golden texture using little to no oil. The Roast function tenderizes meats, roasts vegetables, and more in the cooking pot. The Bake function is great for creating cakes, cookies, and other baked treats. And the Dehydrate function gently removes moisture from ingredients to create homemade snacks like chips and jerky. Ready to get cooking? Check out ninjakitchen.com for delicious recipe ideas and more.
Introducing the Smart Grill. With powerful heating elements embedded into the plates, the Smart Grill preheats faster and cooks quicker with the convenience of being dishwasher safe. One of the new innovations is the sensors built into the plates. These Element IQ sensors will detect when you put something cold, like a steak, on the plates. After they detect this temperature drop, the elements compensate by injecting more heat into the plates so it maintains the temperature that you want. The grill opens flat for more surface area, so you can barbecue your meats on one side and grill your veggies on the other, with all the drips collecting in the middle. The 6 adjustable height settings with floating hinge mean you can evenly toast paninis or grill delicate fish without the top plate crushing the contents. The LCD display simplifies cooking too. Set a temperature and a time, and when the grill chimes, you're ready to cook. It's best to clean the plates while they're still warm. All you need is some wet paper towel, just wipe it down, and then pop them in the dishwasher. The Smart Grill, truly another great innovation by Breville.